Hi students, today we are going to see a Riemann assumption, conversion of one solid to another, right? The same concept only, third concept, right? We have completed 10 sums, right? Now sum number 11, 3 cubes of a metal whose edges are in the ratio 3:4:5 are melted, are melted are melted and converted into a single cube, right? 3 cubes, they are melting and converted into a single cube. They are converted into a single cube whose diagonal is 12 root 3 centimeter. Find the edges of the 3 cubes. Find the edges of the 3 cubes. So they have given the edges of 3 cubes is nothing but in the ratio that they are given the edges of 3 cubes is nothing but in the form of ratio 3:4:5, and they are converting the 3 cubes into a single cube. So volume of 3 cubes is equal to sum of the volume of 3 cubes is equal to the volume of 1 cube, right? Volume of 1 cube. Here new word we are seeing that. What is that? Diagonal. So we want to know the formula diagonal of a cube. That we are going to see here. Diagonal of a cube is equal to, right? Diagonal of cube is equal to root 3a. What is a? Side. Root 3a, right? So diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3 into a. A is nothing but side of a cube, right? And diagonal of a cuboid, right? Diagonal of a cuboid is equal to, right? Diagonal of a cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Square root of L square plus B square plus H square, right? Square root of 3 into A is nothing but diagonal of cube, and diagonal of a cuboid is equal to, right? Square root of L square plus B square plus H square, right? So it's something but it's the same thing only. What is the side of a cube? It's something but A only. Length also A, and breadth also A, and height also A. A square plus A square plus A square, 3A square. While taking square root, that A square will become A. So root 3A, that only, right? So diagonal of cube is nothing but root 3A, and diagonal of cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square, right? Now we write the givens. What are given? We are having 3 cubes ratio. The ratio of 3 cubes is nothing but, right? Ratio of 3 cubes is equal, right? Ratio of 3 cubes is equal to, what is it? 3:4:5, right? Whenever they are giving the ratio, right? Whenever we are having the ratio, right? They are having the common constant, right? They are having a common constant behind the ratio. They are having the common constant behind the ratio. So that is nothing but, like we take it as x, then it will become, what is it? 3x, right? The edge of a first cube is nothing but edge or side, right? Edge of first cube, E1 is equal to 3x, and E2 is equal to, right, 4x, right? And E3, edge of the third cube is nothing but E3 is equal to 5x, right? The x is nothing but common constant. Whenever they have given the form of ratio, right, behind the ratio there is a common constant. There is a common constant is there. The common constant we don't know that only we have assumed as x. So it is nothing but edge of first cube is nothing but 3x, edge of the second cube is nothing but 4x, and edge of the third cube is nothing but 5x, right? They are converting this 3 cube into a single cube, right? I'm just assuming that let the side of a new cube, right? Let the side or let the edge or whatever word you want to use, you can use it. Let the side of a new cube, right? The big cube. Let the side of a big cube or new cube, whatever it may be, big cube, right? Big cube is equal to A, right? Big cube is equal to A. Then we know that they have given that the diagonal of a cube is equal to 12 root 3 centimeter. So diagonal of a cube, right? Diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3, right? Diagonal of, diagonal of a cube is nothing but, what is the formula of diagonal of a cube? It's nothing but root 3a, right? Same thing only, root 3. Yeah, already now only we saw the formula. Already we know the diagonal of a cube. What is the diagonal of a cube? Is nothing but 12 root 3 centimeter. Shall we equate directly? So it is nothing but 12 root 3 is equal to root 3a, right? 12 root 3 is equal to, otherwise we can write in the form of, so diagonal of a cube is nothing but, what is the given? Diagonal of a big cube is nothing but 12 root 3, right? 12 root 3 centimeter. 12 root 3 centimeter. So centimeter 12 root 3. Already we know that diagonal of a cube is nothing but root 3a, right? Root 3a is equal to 12 root 3, right? So just root 3 will get cancelled. So a is equal to 12 centimeter. The side of a or the edge of a big cube is equal to, right? The side of a big cube is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we can find that. So we know that what is the condition here? So volume of these three cubes, right? Volume of these three cubes is equal to volume of this big cube, right? So just equating the cubes, we will get the value of x. If we are getting the value of x, then we can multiply by 3 and multiply by 4 and multiply by 5. We will get the edges of all the three cubes, right? So what is the condition here? Volume of their see that 3 cubes of a metal whose edges are in the ratio 3:4:5 are melted and converted into a single cube, right? So volume of these 3 cubes is equal to volume of this big cube, right? So volume of 3 cubes, write it. So volume of 3 cubes is nothing but E1 whole cube, right? That is nothing but side of a cube. What is the formula of cube? Volume of cube, A cube. So A is nothing but E1. I have taken as E1, right? E1 cube plus E2. E2 the whole cube plus E3 the whole cube is equal to volume of big cube. What is the side of a volume of big cube? A. So A cube, right? I'm just writing the formula. So now we know the value, just substitute. So 3x the whole cube, right? 3x the whole cube plus 4x the whole cube plus, I'm simplifying after that, I'm just explaining now, right? E1 cube plus E2 cube plus E3 cube is equal to A cube. What is the value of E1? E1 is nothing but 3x, E2 4x, E3 is nothing but 5x, A equal to 12. Just substitute the values. 3x the whole cube plus 4x the whole cube plus 5x the whole cube is equal to 12 cube. Apply the cube. 3x the whole cube. So cube will be apply for both the elements. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. X cube plus 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 x cube plus 5x the whole cube. That is 5 cube 125 x cube is equal to 12 cube. 12 cube is nothing but 1728, right? Now see the LHS, all the three terms are nothing but x cube, x cube, x cube, like terms. Just add all the three terms. 27 plus 64 plus 125 is equal to 216 x cube is equal to 1728, right? Just take the 216 to the RHS, multiply will become divide. Now while we are simplifying, right? See that 4 table, first we can simplify by 4 table. See that how many times? 5 times 16 4 times 54, 4 table 16, 4 times 12, 3 times, 2 times. While we are simplifying by 54, right? 1 times and 8 times, right? 8 times. So x cube is equal to 8, right? But what we are needed? We need the value of x alone. We are having x cube. By taking cubic root on both sides, we will get the value of x. Taking cubic root on both sides, right? X cubic root of x cube is equal to x. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2, right? So x is equal to 2. Therefore, the sides of 3 cubes are 3 into x, that is 3 into 2, 6 centimeter, 4 into 2, 8 centimeter, 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. Sides of 3 cubes are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. So number 12, and this is very important sum, right? Last class itself I told you, no, they will take some sand or some whatever it may be from the earth, and they will do some other solid, and both volume will be same, right? While we are taking the solid, while we are taking the sand from the earth in some shape, and they will spread or they will mate into some other solid, right? So both the volumes are equal, the same methodology, right? First we will read the questions. See that a well of diameter 4 meter is dug 21 meter deep. A well of diameter and deep, that is nothing but diameter is nothing but diameter of a well, and deep is nothing but height of the well, right? So what is the shape of the well? The shape of the well is nothing but cylinder, right? The shape of the well is nothing but cylinder. How much? It's nothing but diameter is nothing but 4 meter, and deep is nothing but height of the well is nothing but 21 meter, right? Okay, the earth taken out, that is the sand, right? The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring, right, all around in the shape of a circular ring of width 3 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Find the height of the embankment. See that? First I am going to draw the diagram. First we will fill the details. What are the details we are having? See that they are taking the earth, right? They are taking the sand from the earth in the shape of cylinder, right? So cylinder, after taking the earth, right, and they are constructing that in the form of, what is it, in the shape of ring, right, embankment in the shape of ring, right. So it's nothing but cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, right, ring cylinder and cylinder 2, right, hollow cylinder. The 2D shape we will call it as ring, right. The ring has been in the 3D shape. The ring is something but, what is it, hollow cylinder, right. So fill the details. For the cylinder, what are things we are having? Diameter is equal to 4 meter. Then radius is nothing but, what is the radius of this cylinder? Radius of the well is cylinder, first cylinder is nothing but well, right. So 2 meter, and height of the cylinder is nothing but, what is it, how much? 21 meter. Height of the cylinder is nothing but 21 meter, right. Next, for the hollow cylinder, what are things we are needed? What is the formula for finding the volume of hollow cylinder? That is very important. Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to pi capital square minus small square into h, right. So it's nothing but volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but volume of big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder. So volume of big cylinder is nothing but pi capital square into h minus pi smaller square h, right. What is the common term? Pi h is common term, just taking commonly outside. So what is the remaining? R square minus R square. So pi R square minus R square into h, right. For hollow cylinder, right, hollow cylinder, it's nothing but, what is it, how it will be? See that this part is nothing but well, right. This part is nothing but well. They are taking the earth from this well, right, and they are constructing this right. This is nothing but, what is that, embankment, right. This is nothing but embankment. So this volume of this cylinder, right, the volume of the well is equal to volume of this embankment. Both volume will be equal, right. So what they are asking, if you want to find the height of the embankment, so just by equating the volume of well is equal to volume of embankment, we will get the height of the embankment, right. We will get the height of the embankment because both the volumes are equal, right. Just what they are saying, they are taking the earth from the well and they are spreading evenly, right. They are spreading evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 3 meter to form an embankment. So volume of this well is equal to volume of this embankment. What is the shape of the well? The shape of the well is nothing but cylinder, and the embankment, shape of the embankment is nothing but hollow cylinder. So for finding the volume of cylinder, what is the formula? Pi R square h. So for that we are having radius and height, so we can easily find the cylinder, right. For finding the hollow cylinder, what are things we are needed? We need, right, capital R, right, capital R, small r, right, and height. These three things alone needed. What is the formula for volume of hollow cylinder? Pi h into capital R square minus small r square, or pi R square minus R square into h. What are the same formula? Capital R, small r, and h. This only we are needed, right. Capital R, small r, and h, right. The small r is nothing but, right, small r is nothing but the same radius of the cylinder alone. Small r is nothing but radius of the well alone, radius of this well alone, right. The capital R is nothing but thickness is nothing but thickness or, what is it, width, right. Thickness or width of the embankment, and this is nothing but circular well, right, circular well, and this thickness is nothing but, what is it, width of the embankment. So radius of with capital R is nothing but small r plus width, right, small r plus width. So already the width is given. What is the width of the embankment? 3 meter, and small r is nothing but radius of the cylinder, radius of the well, that is nothing but 2 meter. So it is nothing but capital R is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 meter, right, 5 meter. So capital R is equal to 5 meter. Then h only we want to find. Now we know that small r, capital R, and here also small r and h, we know all the values, right. H alone we don't know that, but we are having that. What is the condition? By equating that, we will get the height of the embankment, right. So volume of well is equal to volume of embankment. So what is the shape of well? Cylinder. So volume of cylinder. So what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi R square h. Pi R square h is equal to volume of embankment. What is the shape of volume of embankment? Hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder. What is the formula of volume of hollow cylinder? Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Right? Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. So what we want to find? H alone we want to find. See that we have to differentiate, right? See, small r both are same, so I have to keep as it is. But height both won't be same, so we have to differentiate. Here h1 and this is nothing but h2. h1 is nothing but height of the well, and h2 is nothing but height of the embankment, right? Height of the embankment, right? Embankment. So just keep the h2 alone, the RHS, remaining all just bring it to the LHS and simplify, will get the answer. So it is equal to h2 is equal to, take this all the value to LHS, it will become divide. So pi r square h1 divided by pi r square minus r square. Pi capital R square minus small r square, h2 is equal to, right? Pi will get cancelled, right? Remaining all the value we know that, substitute and simplify, will get the answer. So I'm just writing h2 in the LHS and this all the value in the RHS. So h2 is equal to, right? h2 is equal to r square h1. What is r? R is nothing but 2. So 2 square. 2 square into, what is h1? 21 meter. 21 divided by r square minus r square. What is capital R? 5. 5 square minus small r. 2 square. Right? 5 square minus 2 square. Simplify. h2 is equal to 2 square. 4 into 21 divided by 5 square, 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4. It is equal to 4 into 21 divided by 25 minus 4, 21, right? 21. This 21 will get cancelled. 4. h2 is equal to 4 meter. Therefore, the height of the embankment is equal to, right? Therefore, the height of the embankment is equal to 4 meter. Therefore, the height of the embankment is equal to 4 meter, right? And today the class is over, and just note down your homework sums, right? We are having today we are having 2 sums homework, right? Still we are having one more model. I told you that 3 models. The first model is nothing but volume equating. Second model is nothing but number of solids, right? And third model sums tomorrow we'll see, right? Note down your homework sums. Sum number 4, a spherical ball. So what is the shape of the ball? Spherical, sphere, right? A spherical ball of diameter 21 centimeter is melted and recasted into cubes, each of size 1 centimeter. Find the number of cubes thus formed. Find the number of cubes. Sorry. This sum already we have completed. This is not your homework sum. Sorry. Sum number 13, right? 12 we have completed. 13 and 14 are your homework sums, right? Sum number 13, a solid iron rectangular block. Solid iron rectangular block, that means cuboid, right? Solid iron rectangular block, that means cuboid. So we are having length, breadth and height, right? Of dimensions 4.4 meter, 2.6 meter and 1 meter. 1 meter is cast into a hollow cylindrical pipe. Of internal radius 30 centimeter and thickness 5 centimeter. Find the length of the pipe. H is equal to 112 meter. So see that the same thing. Here what is the shape they are recasting? From the cuboid they are converting into the hollow cylinder, right? They are converting into the hollow cylinder. So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of hollow cylinder, right? So for finding the volume of cuboid, we are having length, breadth, height, right? See what we are going to find, length of the pipe, that is something but height of the pipe. So same thing, we know the formula, volume of hollow cylinder is something but pi capital R square minus small r square into h. What is the capital R? Internal radius 30 centimeter and thickness 5 centimeter. So internal radius is nothing but smaller, radius of smaller, right? 30 centimeter. Thickness is nothing but width, right? 5 centimeter. So capital R is equal to 30 plus 5, 35 centimeter, right? See that, moreover, you want to see one more thing, that is nothing but in the cuboid, right? They have given the values in the form of meter, but in the hollow cylinder they have given in terms of centimeter, right? While you are equating, you have to just keep in your mind, while you are equating, both the units should be same. Better you can convert this meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter, whatever you are needed, right? Centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, whatever you are needed, right? The final answer is something but height is something but 112 meter. Sum number 14, right? Sum number 14 is something but the same model like sum number 12, right? a 40-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. 40-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. That means what is the shape of the well? See that diameter means it's always a circular well. Circular well, right? Circular well. So what is the shape of the well? Cylinder, right? 7 meter is duct. 40 meter deep is in the height is in the 40 meter and diameter 7 meter. So height and radius we know that. From that we can find the volume of a cylinder, right? While we are taking the earth, and what they are doing, dug, and the earth from the digging is spread to form a platform. See that a 40-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth, right? And the earth from digging is spread to form a platform, right? Spread to form a platform, right? 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Find the height of the platform. So here, what is the shape of the platform? That we want to know. What is the shape of the platform? See that they have given that 22 meter by 14 meter. That is the length into breadth. And what they are asking? Height. So length, breadth, height. So what is the shape of the platform? The shape of the platform is nothing but cuboid, right? So here volume of this well is equal to volume of this platform. So volume of well is nothing but what is the shape of the well? Cylinder. So volume of cylinder is equal to shape of platform? Cuboid. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. While we are equating, we will get the height of the platform. What is the height of the platform? Final answer 5 meter, right? Today's homework sum is nothing but only 2 sums alone, right? Thank you. Tomorrow we will see the remaining sums.